2025 Chevy Corvette ZR1 marks a monumental step forward in the evolution of Chevrolet's iconic performance car, combining advanced engineering, breathtaking design, and a relentless pursuit of speed. As the pinnacle of the Corvette lineup, the ZR1 embodies everything the brand stands for: power, precision, and passion. This latest iteration of the ZR1 is not just an enhancement of its predecessor, it's a bold leap into the future of American supercars. At the heart of the 2025 ZR1 is a beastly 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine, outfitted with a dual overhead camshaft configuration and bolstered by a cutting-edge twin turbocharging system. This setup delivers a staggering 850 horsepower and 825 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful Corvette ever produced. Engineers focused on creating an engine that was not only ferociously powerful, but also refined and responsive. The result is a powertrain that delivers instant throttle, response, and a spine-tingling exhaust note that roars with authority. The 2025 ZR1's performance is further amplified by its advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. This lightning-fast gearbox ensures seamless gear shifts, allowing drivers to extract every ounce of performance from the engine. The car's rear-wheel drive layout, paired with an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, provides exceptional traction and stability, whether you're launching off the line or carving through tight corners. The ZR1 achieves a 0-to-60 mph time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 215 mph, solidifying its status as a world-class supercar. Chevrolet has equipped the ZR1 with a host of aerodynamic enhancements to maximize its performance on the track and the road. The car features an active aero system, including a prominent rear wing, front splitter, and underbody elements that work in harmony to generate significant downforce. These features not only enhance high-speed stability, but also improve cornering grip and braking performance. The bodywork is sculpted to perfection, with aggressive lines, wide fenders, and a low, menacing stance that demands attention. The chassis of the 2025 ZR1 is a masterpiece of engineering, constructed with a lightweight yet rigid aluminum frame and reinforced with carbon fiber components. The result is a car that feels nimble and precise, with exceptional handling dynamics. The ZR1 is equipped with Chevrolet's Magnetic Ride Control 4.0, an advanced suspension system that adjusts in real time to changing road conditions. This system ensures a comfortable ride on the street while delivering razor-sharp handling on the track. The ZR1's Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits with confidence. Inside the cabin, the ZR1 strikes a balance between luxury and performance-focused design. The driver-centric cockpit features premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, all meticulously crafted to create an atmosphere of sophistication and purpose. The bolstered sports seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and digital instrument cluster keep the driver connected to the car at all times. Chevrolet's latest infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, offering intuitive controls, a high-resolution touchscreen, and connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The 2025 ZR1 also comes with a range of advanced driver assistance systems and safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies ensure that the ZR1 is not only thrilling to drive but also safe and practical for everyday use. Chevrolet has paid special attention to making the ZR1 customizable, offering a wide array of options for buyers to personalize their vehicles. Customers can choose from a selection of striking exterior colors, wheel designs, and brake caliper finishes, as well as optional carbon fiber packages that further enhance the car's aggressive appearance. Inside, buyers can opt for unique upholstery combinations, contrasting stitching, and even personalized badging. The 2025 Vette ZR1 is more than just a car. It's a statement of intent from Chevrolet. It showcases the brand's ability to compete with the best supercars in the world while staying true to its American roots. The ZR1 delivers an unparalleled driving experience, blending raw power with cutting-edge technology and exquisite craftsmanship. It's a car that pushes boundaries and sets new standards, not just for the Corvette lineup, but for the entire automotive industry. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, with electric and hybrid technologies becoming increasingly prominent, the 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR1 serves as a reminder of the enduring appeal of internal combustion engines and the visceral thrill they provide. It's